Hey, Sam here and welcome to PageFlame. This is a bonus page for PageFlame and I'm going to show you a demonstration of this software in action so you can see for yourself whether this is right for you in just a moment. But first of all, go down below, check out all of the early bird details. This is going live, I believe, at 9 a.m. EST, really early on a Saturday, and then it'll be increasing throughout the day. So the sooner you get in, the better. And down below also you'll see a couple of white label bonuses and a really special bonus down there as well for a software that worked really well with PageFlame. So this is PageFlame. This is the dashboard. And the thing that I like about this software is that it's really clean. Now, the question that comes to mind is, are Facebook pages still useful? And the answer to that is yes. There are still many pages or many businesses creating pages and driving traffic to those pages. There's still many marketers doing that and making it work from Facebook ads. You can still get some additional benefits in driving people within Facebook to your Facebook pages. And this software is going to help you to create those Facebook pages. Now, the first step you do is you need to go create page tab. The great thing about the software is that there's a number of options when it comes to building templates. You can see here the templates themselves look really professional. If I was to choose a theme, I could, for example, have a look and I could see which kind of theme I wanted. So if I was advertising this mobile app, I could choose to advertise this mobile app. If I was selling, then I'm able to sell through this particular system right here, Register Now. This is a software. You can customize, add your own images in here, add your own benefits, and so on. You've also got a number of different e-commerce themes. You're definitely not short on templates to use with this software. You can use these e-commerce themes to sell products. You can use these e-commerce themes to sell products within side of Facebook, and it'll help you to advertise these individual products as well. You can switch out the images, switch out the text, add your own PayPal buy buttons inside of this and make money doing this. You've also got the ability to build social templates. All right, now there's a couple of these. This is the first and this is the second. This is if you're advertising your services over Facebook, for example, if you're wanting to advertise your services over Facebook. And then we've got a welcome video here as well. Now this video welcome, this is basically if you are general use. There's no particular, it's not restricted at all. If you're choosing a template, this is a video welcome message basically. Hey, welcome, thanks for getting access to this. Same with this as well. Hey, thanks, here's our coupon. So for example, if someone had gone ahead and filled out some information, you'd auto-forwarded them to this particular page here, and they got this purchase code, you could say, congratulations, thanks for getting access. Or if you wanted to, you can actually build off a blank template. There's no problem in doing that. This software will allow you to do that. Today, for this example, let's do the most common type of page that you want to build over this platform. And the most common page that you want to build is an opt-in page. The reason is that in order to make money through Facebook, the best way is to generate leads off Facebook and then monetize those leads. Now, this software has a number of different themes for monetizing leads, for generating leads, and you'll see that right here. So let's just pick, we'll go back to our landing page as an opt-in. I'm going to choose one that works well for a online marketing offer. This one here will do, or this one actually would do as well. So we've got one here. We'll go this one right here. Okay, so we're going to select this template. I like the look of this one. Let's go ahead and select this template. Now, in order to select the template, you need to go down to the bottom here and use theme, right? You need to click use theme. Then enter in a name for a template. So it might be Backers Board opt-in, for example. I might just call it Backers Board opt-in. I can then browse for an image relating to Backers Board. So I might go to my desktop, for example, and I might go ahead and I might grab a image here. Okay, so in this case, if I wanted to do that, I could select an image that was between 111 and 74 pixels high and wide, or I can just use one of the default templates that's here. Okay, we can use one of these. So I'm going to use this welcome one for now, and then I can just choose a fan page of mine. So say, for example, I had the Backers Board fan page. I would select Backers Board, #1 internet marketing community, and then click Create and Continue. From there, it's going to load up my page. Now we're going into the image editing interface, or the Facebook page imaging interface. I really like this because it actually shows a preview inside of Facebook what it's going to look like. So you can actually go in here. I could replace this. I could say watch below, and then I could say tick, yes, we'll have that, and I can edit this as I want. And I can slide that away, and then I can load up this, and I can say watch below to find out about Backers Board, for example. And then I can adjust this color if I wanted to. If I didn't like that color, I could adjust it and it'll automatically adjust it for me. I could also change the font if I wanted to. I can make it bold. And you can see here it makes it really quite easy to customize this as you might want. After that, I could choose here and I can add an image. Now, one of the restrictions of this, from what I can see so far, is that I haven't found a way to add a YouTube video in yet. Now, I believe there is a way to add a YouTube video, but you need to use Vimeo for this example. All right, so you need a Vimeo URL in order to add that. That's just one of the parts. I'm sure there is a YouTube video component. Oh, here it is. Yeah, interactive media. You can drag in YouTube. For this template, it hasn't dragged in YouTube. I could drag in YouTube though, and I can actually add in my YouTube video. So say for example I wanted to use this, I could then make this YouTube bigger, this video bigger. I would delete this, and I could go ahead and use a YouTube video. All right, so easy as that. I'll just go into settings, remove. Yes, I want to delete. It's been deleted. I drag in YouTube instead because that's what I want. I want a YouTube video instead of a Vimeo one, and then I can drag this out. I can drag this out here. I can size it correctly, and then instead of what I had there, it's going to have my YouTube video here instead. There you go. Easy as that. Then if I wanted to, I can just move this up, and I can add something else here. I might even want to move the text up, and you can see it's quite easy to go ahead and do this. So I could put my welcome message in. Say for example I wanted to add in one of my videos from YouTube here. I can just go over to YouTube right now, and then what I've done is I've actually grabbed my YouTube URL, and I can add my YouTube URL into here. I can then resize my video once it's been added here. I can choose to put it across, and as you'll see, I've put in a Backers Board sales video. So, I can have that on my fan page. Maybe I would put a welcome message in saying, hey, thank you for coming in from Facebook. Here's where you can get access to it. So, claim your free account at Backers Board. All right, I can enlarge that slightly. I can drag it down. I can then select, yes, I want your, yes, I want it free, for example. Yes, I want it free. All right, or sign me up. I could say sign me up. All right, and I can then drive traffic to this page and have people signed up. I can also have a timer in there, so there might be a limited amount of time that people can sign up. For example, I can have my little boxes behind here adjusted, so they're there. And if I didn't need one of these boxes, like I don't need this one, I don't think, I can just bin that box, get rid of it, and there we are. I can then change the time as I want, so I can customize this to be in the future. Maybe the offer expires at this particular time or date, and it'll adjust it for me. That's why the other block was there. So I could add another block in, one of these blocks in, and there we are. So what we'll do is we'll just go across. I'm going to drag these in like this. I'm going to drag this in like this, and I would want to add another block in. Cool. There we are. Click tick. And we can have a look for other tools in the side panel as well. So I can look for interactive media. You can see here I've got Skype icons, form boxes, checkboxes, HTML, iframe, e-commerce, and basic tools. So say for example I wanted to add in another shape because I messed this one up. I can do that. I can go here. I can make my my one square. I can make the style can be black. I want the shadow color to be black. I want my link, my background, to be again black, and black as well. Right now it's set to transparent. Color, tick. There it is. I've got my gradient set. So I need to turn that to black as well. Turn that to black as well. There we are. And now what I can do is I can choose to put this to the back. Now what I'm going to first do though is I'm going to put in style, main. Cool, and I've used these arrows right here to push this to the top. So I was trying to customize the black, and now what I've done is I've been able to put these to the top. Now, what I could do as well is I could keep on customizing these, but you can see here it's quite straightforward to do the customization. I can move these up as well, my text, I'm going to move these up, and then I can adjust these as I want, and I can adjust all these sales materials. Now, I'm not going to go through all of this, obviously changing all these texts, because you'll probably get really bored of seeing me doing all the editing, but you can see how easy it is. It's really quite easy to drag and drop anything with the system. Also, if you wanted to say put this behind here suddenly, you wanted to adjust a few things, then you can do that. I'll just select this again, put this down, there we are, we've adjusted this, we've adjusted the look and the feel of this, we can bring this down now, we can add our text and customize it as we want. So this is a very cool, very easy to use editor for Facebook. I've been impressed with what I've seen so far. I haven't seen any downsides. If you're looking to create Facebook pages and you don't yet have a tool for it, this is a really useful tool. The way to get traffic to it is obviously through Facebook, but you can do a lot with this. The templates give you a lot of flexibility, and it is really quite easy to do a lot of the stuff. Also, they have an image designer. Now, I haven't mentioned anything about this yet, but you can basically grab in text, images, filters. You can add in shapes, stickers, all sorts into this editing layout right here, and you can edit them as you want as well. So you can actually customize your images as you want. If you've got images loaded into the system, you can choose to customize those, and you can go ahead and these will actually allow you to customize those images. So really cool system as well, and it's part of the software today. You've also got the ability to preview what it looks like inside of Facebook. It looks really nice. As you can see, my video will play. I could put autoplay on that video if I wanted to. And we've got sign me up. I can sign someone up. They can then go ahead and they can become a lead of mine if I was putting that into the autoresponder. And if I'm happy with my site, if that looks good on my Facebook page, I can then click publish, and look, it's been successfully published. Let's have a look. Alright, and here it is. Now, after looking at this in Facebook, I might want to adjust my video how far it goes across the page because it's a little uneven, but everything else is pretty good. We've got our sign up to gather our opt-in. We've got the ability now to send people to this. And look, it's inside of Facebook. It's on my Facebook page. Backers Board opt-in. There you are. And we've created this basically as I showed you in this video. So it's really quite easy to use. If you're looking for a Facebook page builder for you or your clients, this is, from what I've seen, a really good solution. It'll allow you to generate leads, it'll allow you to make sales inside of Facebook and customize your pages as you want, to look as you want within the system. It's easy to edit, even if you're really challenged design-wise, such as I am, you'll be able to do this as well. So hope you like what you see, and if this is something that is going to be good for your business, I encourage you to go down below and get access early because the price will be lower early. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope this has given you the answers to the questions you might have had about this software, and look forward to talking with you again soon. This is Sam Backer. I'll see you later.